You may have clicked on this video because you want to improve your looks and be a better version of yourself. As you have read the title of this video, we are going to tell you how to keep your skin clear and healthy. But before we start, you should know that there is no way to change the color of your skin. Actually, you should not even care about it, and just love yourself the way you are. Keeping that in mind, here are 4 daily habits to keep your skin clear and healthy. At first, you should drink at least 3 liters of water every day. This is because drinking enough water helps the body to flush out toxins while giving you a healthier skin. Have at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. This is because 7 to 8 hours is the optimal time duration for skin cells to regenerate. And better sleep keeps your whole body healthy in general. Another thing you can do to keep your skin healthy is washing your face every morning and evening. It would be better to use a face wash and cold water, as it will properly clear your skin and makes you feel very energetic at the same time. Lastly, and most importantly, always protect your skin from the sun, or use sunscreen. This will protect your skin from the harmful UV rays coming from the sun, which can be very dangerous and can make the skin aging process faster. These simple but effective habits will significantly change your skin texture and will give you a much better look. Also, there are some obvious things that we didn't mention, like eating healthy food, avoiding bad habits like smoking and alcohol consumption, and staying happy as much as you can. So, we hope that you will follow these simple habits and make an important change in your life. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.